They say solo rides change you. Mine began at 6 a.m. on a cool Saturday morning in Mysore. Weekend off, no breakfast, just one glass of water and the road. The streets were silent. No traffic, no honking, just the hum of my engine and the soft rustle of wind. Route set: Mysore, Hunsur, Periyapatna, Kushalnagar, Kumarahalli, Mallalli Waterfalls. It was me and the rain, in a weird kind of game. Every time I put on my raincoat, the rain would vanish. Remove it and start riding, rain would return. Like it was watching me from the clouds, and I couldn't take a chance. I was carrying my laptop and mobile. After this, I was heading straight to my native in Kerala. I'm a working professional at Infosys Mysore, so no room for risks. Somewhere along the road, I spotted a small waterfall. I paused, smiled, took a deep breath, and then realized I was lost. Yeah, the classic wrong turn. But I didn't regret it. Sometimes the wrong turns take you to the right views. Waterfall? Okay. Okay, thank you. Finally, I reached Mallalli, way more stunning than I imagined. Entry fee was 20 rupees for my bike. But the real price, 600 steps to climb down. Totally worth it. Each step down brought a new view. And when I finally reached close, it didn't look like water. It looked like liquid sky, white, roaring, and pure. The mist scattered as it fell, and the wind carries it towards me. I looked up expecting cloud, but the sky was perfectly blue. What I felt was not rain, it was the waterfall itself, kissing the air. For a moment, I forgot everything. 3 batches of visitors came and left, but I stayed. I just couldn't leave. Climbing back up those 600 steps so brutal. If you are planning to visit, have a good pair of lungs. At the top, I bought a packet of juice and some biscuit from the shop. I drank the juice there and paid in cash since online payment wasn't working due to poor network. On my way back, I met Sandhya, a friendly woman working at a petrol pump in Karnataka, but her hometown was same as mine. She helped me to charge my phone and we shared the biscuits. It was already 2:30 p.m., so I called it lunch. As I waved goodbye, a scene from a Malayalam movie came to my mind. The kind where strangers bring a small smile and journey quietly continues. I aimed my wheels towards home. The road stretched ahead, and the story, as always, goes on.